Have you ever packed for a camping trip and realized that half your cooking setup is dedicated to carrying fuel canisters? Or worse, you run out of fuel miles away from civilization with no backup plan. For hikers, backpackers, and outdoor enthusiasts, that's a frustrating problem. The good news is there's a simple alternative that's been getting a lot of attention lately. Today we're taking a close look at the Tomshoo Camping Stove, a portable wood-burning stove designed for campers, backpackers, survivalists, and anyone who wants a lightweight cooking solution that doesn't rely entirely on gas canisters. It promises efficient burning, compact portability, and the ability to use natural fuel sources found almost anywhere outdoors. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Tomshoo Camping Stove looks simple, but that's actually part of its appeal. The stainless steel construction gives it a sturdy, dependable feel right out of the box. Despite weighing only about a pound, it doesn't feel flimsy or fragile. The materials inspire confidence, especially if you're the type of person who throws gear into a backpack and expects it to survive rough trails, unpredictable weather, and repeated use. One thing I immediately appreciated was the thoughtful design. The serrated cross stand on top provides a stable platform for cookware, helping keep pots and pans securely in place while cooking. That's something you don't always get with compact camping stoves. The foldable handle and upgraded wood ash plate may seem like small additions, but they make everyday use noticeably more convenient. These details reduce the hassle of handling hot components and cleaning up afterward. The stove folds down into a surprisingly compact package, making it easy to slip into a backpack without sacrificing valuable storage space. For backpackers and hikers who carefully manage every ounce of gear, that portability is a major advantage. It comes with a carrying bag as well, which helps keep soot and ash from spreading onto the rest of your equipment after use. Where this stove really shines is fuel flexibility. Instead of depending on purchased fuel canisters, you can use twigs, leaves, branches, and other natural materials commonly found around campsites. That's not only cost-effective, but also incredibly practical for longer trips. The stove even includes a tray for solid alcohol fuel, giving you another backup option when natural fuel isn't readily available. Performance is surprisingly impressive considering the stove's compact size. The wide opening makes it easy to feed additional fuel while cooking, and the double wall construction is designed to create a cleaner burn. In practical terms, that means better heat efficiency and less wasted fuel. During normal cooking tasks like boiling water, making coffee, cooking dehydrated meals, or heating soup, the stove performs consistently well when supplied with dry fuel. One of the standout features is the reduced smoke output compared to many traditional wood-burning stoves. The airflow system helps fuel burn more completely, which not only improves efficiency, but also creates a more enjoyable cooking experience. You're spending less time dealing with excessive smoke and more time focusing on your meal and your surroundings. Noise is practically non-existent beyond the natural sound of the fire itself. There are no pressurized fuel systems, regulators, or mechanical components to worry about. For many outdoor enthusiasts, that simplicity is part of the attraction. It feels more connected to the outdoor experience while still providing the convenience of a dedicated cooking platform. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Tomshoo performs well overall, it still relies on the availability of dry fuel. If you're camping in rainy conditions or heavily wooded areas with damp ground cover, you'll need to spend extra time gathering usable fuel. It's also not the fastest option available. A premium gas stove will typically boil water more quickly and require less attention during use. Compared to other wood-burning stoves in the same price range, the Tomshoo stands out because of its efficient combustion design and included grilling capability. Many competing models offer basic wood-burning functionality, but fewer provide the combination of compact portability, cleaner burning performance, and grilling versatility. That makes it a strong value option for outdoor enthusiasts looking for flexibility without spending significantly more money. Overall, the Tomshoo Camping Stove delivers exactly what many campers and backpackers are looking for: a lightweight, durable, and fuel-independent cooking solution. It's ideal for hikers, survivalists, campers, and anyone who enjoys self-sufficient outdoor adventures. If convenience and instant cooking are your top priorities, a gas stove may still be the better choice. But if you value versatility, portability, and the ability to cook using natural resources, This stove is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest outdoor gear reviews. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability on the Tomshoo Camping Stove, take a look at the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.